Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what the green dot by the battery is on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and this is the home screen of my Samsung Galaxy phone. And as you can see guys that the green dot is appearing on the top right corner nearby the battery icon, and I'm going to explain to you what this green dot is. So guys, this green dot will appear if our microphone or our camera on our Samsung Galaxy phone is being used, or both of them. And now the green dot appear because I'm using my Samsung Galaxy phone to record my screen. It means that my camera and my microphone on my Samsung Galaxy phone are being used. So this green dot appear on my screen. And I'm going to go to the notification panel. And when we go to the notification panel, we will see the microphone icon or the camera icon. Now the microphone is being used, so the microphone appear right here. And then I'm going to open up my camera. I'm just going to open my Instagram camera and let's see. I'm going to go to my story and I'm just going to access my camera. Okay, and you can see guys that the camera and the microphone icon appear. It means that my microphone and my camera are being used. If we only record screen, the camera is not used. But now my camera is being used because I open my camera on my Instagram. And then the green dot appear. But anytime we go to the notification panel or quick setting panel, we'll get the detail of it. Okay. And then I'm just going to close my camera. Okay. And now only my microphone is being used. I use it to record my screen. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the explanation about the green dot by the battery on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you to understand what the green dot is on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you so much for watching guys, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.